practicals of first chapter, that is introduction in your microeconomics. So I have given you these solved practicals to just go through them. I hope you have just seen these solved practicals. Just throwing a light, it introduced you with the concept of opportunity cost. What does it mean? Deepak, he's a sales manager. His salary is 1 lakh rupees per month. And he received 2 more job offers, Reliance and from Tata Industry. So what is the opportunity cost here? What is the second best alternative after this? This is what he has used. This job he has already chosen. So what is the next alternative, best alternative that he has given up? It is 85,000 rupees from the Tata Industry. So it will not be 70 because this is not the next best. Okay, the second best is from the Tata Industry. So opportunity cost is 85,000. Now moving on the second example, a farmer produce wheat on a piece of land with the help of the resources, and if this farmer can also produce 70 kg of rice with the same quantity, what is the opportunity cost of producing wheat? He is producing wheat, so he is giving up the production of rice. Okay, what he has given up is his opportunity cost. Now practicals on PPF. So we are going to do the practicals. Here we are interested in the commodity A is given, commodity B is given. We have to calculate MOC, marginal opportunity cost. Okay, so how we will calculate? We are producing additional unit of A every time this commodity it's increasing. Okay, so what is we are giving up? We are giving up commodity B. It is deteriorating every time. So opportunity cost, how we will calculate? There is one decrease of 1 from 15 to 14. 1 is the MOC. From here 2 is the decrease, so 2 is the MOC. From this point to this point 3, difference of 3, so 3 is the MOC. Correct? So we have to minus. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is the MOC. 5 minus 0 is 5 is the MOC, marginal opportunity cost. So what we give up is the MOC. So here also MOC, a formula is given. This is actually the formula for MRT. Okay, ratio, unit gains upon unit sacrifice upon unit gain. Sacrifice is how much? What is given up? Here commodity A is given up, 10. And what is gained? 4. Sacrifice is 10, given up is 4. So we get this point, and we get 2.5. This is our MOC. So these are the practicals on marginal opportunity cost. You will be able to do it now. So let's go further on your example 6. This is a possibility is given. The two goods are given A and B, or X or Y. So you have to show these possibilities through PPF. What do the points on the curve indicate? Okay, what you will do, you will just label this. They have labeled this here. Okay, you have taken x-axis commodity X, y-axis commodity Y. You have denoted the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then these points. Okay, then you have drawn the possibilities. 0, possibility A is 0 units of commodity X and 10 units of commodity Y, this point. Then is next 1 unit of commodity X. How many units of commodity Y? 9. It is in the middle of 8 and 9. So here we come. This point B. So we know how to denote these points. ये आपको आना चाहिए कि आपको अगर उन्होंने इस तरह से पॉइंट्स दे दिए तो आप कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे आपका प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी फ्रंटियर. सो ये आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट हो गया. सेकंड पॉइंट आपका है 1:9. एंड देन सी पॉइंट आपकी पॉसिबिलिटी है 2 7 2 units of commodity X here and 7 units over around here, so we come towards point C. 3 units of X and how many units of Y? 4 units of Y, so we got here. इस तरह से सारे पॉइंट्स को आप जॉट डाउन करेंगे, यू विल गेट अ कर्व हेयर. यहाँ पे आपको एक कर्व मिल गया. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन के पॉइंट्स भी हो सकते थे, ये कॉन्वेक्स शेप के भी पॉइंट हो सकते थे. कैसे आपको पॉइंट्स का पता चलता है? आफ्टर यू प्लॉट देम. ऑल राइट. और जो ये आपके एक्सेस में जो आपने नंबर्स लिए हैं, यू हैव, आप कैसे लेते हैं वो नंबर? आपको पता है आपका लोएस्ट नंबर 10 है, आपका लोएस्ट नंबर 0 है, हाईएस्ट नंबर 10 है. तो 0 to 10 आपको पॉइंट्स डिनोट करने हैं. यू हैव टेकन अ गैप ऑफ 2 हेयर. ओके, सो आपको शो कर दिया आपने. यू हैव शोन दी प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी फ्रंटियर. व्हाट डू द पॉइंट्स ऑन द कर्व इंडिकेट? ये सारे पॉइंट्स क्या हैं? मैक्सिमम utilization of resources, full utilization of resources. Label a point F inside a curve. What does this point indicate? अगर कोई point F होगा, it is under utilization of resources. If there is a point outside, it is the unattainable combination. You cannot attain this with the given resources. Okay, what must occur so that the economy can attain the level of production as indicated by point G? कैसे ये point G पे attain कर सकता है production? If there is an improvement in technology or there is an increase in resources. These are the two reasons that you are going to give. If you want to move, you can get over here, next production possibility curve passing through point G. How? If the resources or the technology improvement is there. So next is, these are the possibilities. You have to calculate MRT. Okay, that is the formula I have already told you in the lectures also. If you see MRT formula, it is sacrifice upon gain. Sacrifice is 20 minus 14, that is 6. Gain is 1. Then 14 minus 9, sacrifice is 5. Gain is again 1. 5 is to 1. So I would write the formula here. Change in sacrifice upon change in gain. All right, so we will just calculate it like this. We get the MRT. Then they ask what is the shape of PPF, and along with it give the reason why it is of that particular shape. So when I draw these points, what did I get? You have to draw it by yourself. Graph paper may be given to you in the exam. Even if it is not given, you will be drawing these figures according to the method I have taught you. यहाँ पे आप एक एक कर गैप ले लेंगे. यहाँ पे आप मैक्सिमम नंबर आपको 20 दिख गया. 0 is the least number, so they have taken a gap of 4 because the numbers are more. Okay, so what we are going according to these points, we will plot the numbers. Okay, we will plot the combination A, where y is commodity y is 0 and commodity X is 20. So this is point A. Then commodity X is 14 and y is 1. 1 is here. Okay, and where is 14? 12 के बाद 14 होता है ना बीच में, मिडल में. So just draw the lines and then you get the point. ये lines जो हैं ये imaginary lines हैं. You don't need to make them actually. थोड़ा सा आप उसको हल्का सा ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, ऐसे नहीं आप उसको पूरा शो करें. What you need to show is only the curve and the points. ये points को पाने के लिए, to get these points, I am drawing these lines. Okay, the method I am teaching you. So at point C there are 2 units of commodity Y, 2 units of they have given these points. I think इन्होंने थोड़ा सा उल्टा कर दिया है इसमें. ये जो है ना commodity Y, ये एक्चुअली यहाँ पे शो किया है इन्होंने, है ना. commodity X, थोड़ा सा इसको चेंज कर लीजिएगा, अपने क्वेश्चन को या तो चेंज कर लीजिए, है ना. ओके, नाउ इट इज़ प्रॉपर. सो commodity X जब 2 है तो what is commodity Y? It is 9. 2 and 9 इज़ इन द मिडल ऑफ 12 एंड 8. ऑलमोस्ट देखिए थोड़ा इतना प्रॉपर नहीं हो पाता है, थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाता है पॉइंट, बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट अ ग्राफ पेपर. If you exactly make these, I would recommend you to practice these questions on graph paper of making the PPF curve, because then only you will be able to get a real, real figure or real graph. Otherwise ये थोड़ा सा हम लोग एस्टिमेशन ले रहे हैं. बुक में भी जैसे आपने देखा थोड़ा सा पॉइंट आउटसाइड है, बट द शेप विल बी सेम. that you don't need to worry. So we see that MRT is decreasing. We know when MRT increasing, there is a shape which is concave. When MRT is constant, it is a straight line. When MRT is deteriorating, it is a convex shape like this. Now, if you see, this is a schedule given for the two goods, and this is good X, good Y. आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? On the following basis, you have to give on the comment on the shape of the PPC. कुछ बोला नहीं है what you have to calculate. Only you need to find out the shape of the PPC curve. So what you will do? You will actually first of all calculate MRT. MRT will tell you the shape of the PPC curve, isn't it? So you calculate the MRT, that is change in sacrifice upon change in gain. What is the sacrifice here? 1. What is the gain here? 1. 1 is to 1. What is the sacrifice here? 2. What is the gain here? 1. 2 is to 1. What is the sacrifice here? 3. What is the gain here? 1. 3 is to 1. What is the sacrifice? See? 4. What is the gain? 1. 4 is to 1. So what is MRT? MRT is increasing. So PPC will be a what? It will be a concave shape to the origin. We even without drawing it you can get it. If they say draw it also, then you will draw it. In the previous question what they were saying, calculate MRT and also construct PPF with the help of the possibilities given, and then comment on the shape. अब ये वाला point miss अगर हो गया, they don't give you this question, no need to draw it. Actually you will draw when they say you. Otherwise you will just calculate MRT, you will tell the shape. So downward sloping concave to the origin. Here it was decreasing, here it was increasing. Could you see that? Make the difference. MRT is increasing, isn't it? 1 is to 1, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 1, it is increasing. Here 6 is to 1, 5 is to 1, 4 is to 1, decreasing. Convex, decreasing. Concave, increasing. Based on this last example, schedule and then MRT, it is calculated. Again they ask you about the shape of the PPC based on the schedule. So what you will do? Calculate the difference, isn't it? 16 minus 12, 4. 1, gain is only 1. Again the difference is 4, gain is 1. Difference is 4, gain is 1. Difference is 4, gain is 1. Sacrifice हो रहा है यहाँ पे 4 4 every time. 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 4 is to 1. So what is it? The PPC is a actually downward sloping straight line. There is no issues with that, because we know that MRT is constant in this case. Correct? We know a straight line how to make it, isn't it? So in this way we will do the numericals, and this was the practice of I was giving you ways to solve them, and we were talking about the solved numericals here. Okay, thank you class.